Hey man, what's good YouTube, y'all? It's your boy Reese in the cut. We back with y'all with another video today. And as y'all boys can tell by the title and the thumbnail, guys, got some little motivation for y'all today, man. Today we're gonna be talking about how to save y'all first $10,000. Some of y'all out there probably never saved $10,000. Maybe $10,000 is not a lot to some people. Everybody in their own lane. Remember that before we get into the video. Everybody in their own lane. Everybody go at their own pace. Some money is a lot to other people. Some money is not a lot to people. You know what I'm saying? Like, everybody on a different level. So make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe. I'm just gonna be giving y'all some little tips, some little ways of how I saved my first $10,000. Feel me? Recently just bought my first apartment. Just got my first apartment. You know. So yeah. And this is not the flex. This is not the flex. This is motivational purposes only. I know y'all hear that a lot when y'all see videos like this, but it really is just to show y'all, because how am I gonna come on here and tell y'all how to save $10,000 if I don't even have that to my name? So of course I'm gonna be showing y'all this ain't the flex. You know what I'm saying? This is, you feel me? This is just motivation. All right, about $10,000 right here. You know what I'm saying? This is not the flex. This is just to show y'all boys that it can be done. I'm 20 years old. You feel me? You're never too young. It's never too late. It's no such thing. It don't matter. Don't get discouraged. So yeah. So let's get straight into the video, man. Enough of that. You know, y'all seen the money. Y'all seen all that. We said we gotta say. So first off, I got for y'all, it's something that us, the new generation, and if some of you are older, you're probably new to this term. Some I like to say is called the 90-day run. If y'all don't know what the 90-day run is, basically, it's when you take 3 months, you know what I'm saying? It's 30 days in a month. You take 3 months to lock in. That means no unnecessary spending. Basically just locking in. No unnecessary spending, things like that. Like you just stacking up all your chips. Anything that don't need to be bought, we're not buying it. You know what I'm saying? Like, only thing we paying for is bills, whatever. You know what I'm saying? But only the things that you need in life, basically. So the 90-day run. So of course, let's say I'll say the average person probably make like what, 2-3K a month. You know what I'm saying? So 90 days, let's say they make 3K a month, right? Yeah, 3,000, 6,000, 9,000 right there. Now that ain't 10K, but you somewhere around in that range, right? But we're gonna split that into half because of bills, right? We're gonna split that in half. Now, you know, we working with probably only about maybe 4,500, right? That's still good. You don't have to necessarily be $10,000. Like the whole point of this video is just to save up some racks. You feel what I'm saying? But the goal is $10,000. But the goal is, a lot of Americans, a lot of us, we struggle to save money, thousands of dollars. Some people struggle to save $1,000 on a daily basis. Like, it's actually harder to save money than y'all think, but it's easy at the same time. But a lot of Americans struggle to do it. So yeah, that's the first thing. The 90-day run, basically just cutting out unnecessary spending and just straight up locking in. You know, just being disciplined. That's it. All right. Second off, I got for y'all, save y'all little bills. Now hear me out. This method right here. This the one right here. Save y'all ones and y'all fives and put it up. Don't touch it. This is how you save $10,000 easy. Take all them $1 bills and all them $5 bills that you usually toss to the side, or you go get a $5 biggie bag with. Take that, put that up, and watch that stack grow so high, bro. I swear, you come back to that, bro, it's gonna be worth like about $2,000. No cap. Save your little bills, because look, this is what I learned. Cause I ain't like it take you some spending money. It take you some messing up your money to get money. You know what I'm saying? It's times where I done got straight dubs and straight hundreds, bro. You gonna want to spend that because you like, it's a big bill. You're not gonna want to spend your little bills. You're not gonna want, because you're gonna look at it like, man, what I'm gonna do with $5? Yeah, that's exactly what you're gonna do with $5. So put it up. Take your little bills, put it up. Now if you got a whole case full of 20s, you're gonna be like, man, you know what I'm saying? I can spend 120. It ain't gonna hurt, you know? So yeah, save y'all little bills. It worked better than what y'all think. You know what I'm saying? Y'all might not think that this reason valid, but I ain't lie. This reason is low key valid as hell. All right. Third, this is a big one right here. This is a big one. Stay in the house. You want to save your first $10,000? Stay your butt in the house. You don't need to be at a club every weekend. You and your girl don't need to go out every single day for food. Stay in the crib. Your homeboys can wait. Your homegirls can wait. Just stay in the house. That's it. Focus on yourself. This is all of this goes under the 90-day run. Honestly, that's what the title of this video should have been. It's how to go on a 90-day run, because this is what this is. That's what a 90-day run is. You staying in the crib, no unnecessary spending. You saving all your bills. Like, just stay in the house. You want to save some money, bro? Just stay put, bro. Go to sleep. Turn on a movie, bro. Y'all got to learn how to stop going outside so much. It ain't that much outside. Like, yes, like, don't get me wrong, like, life is lit, but it ain't that damn lit to be outside every single day fucking up all your money. Excuse my French, but somebody gotta say it. Y'all don't need to be outside every single day. Chill, stay in the house, stack up, bro. You're not missing anything, bro. All that, y'all gotta sacrifice that temporary fun for that long-term fun. What y'all want? Y'all want that long-term fun? Y'all want that little fun at the club? You done came out $50 just from buying drinks at the bar. You know what I'm saying? Just stay in the crib, man. You ain't missing nothing. What we on? We on 1, 2, 3. We on 4 now. Number 4. So this reason right here is why a lot of people can't save money. It's okay to look rough. That's the reason. It's okay to look rough. It's okay to not have your hair did every single week. It's okay to not have a haircut every single week. It's okay to go a couple weeks without, I ain't gonna say without maintenance, not like that. And I ain't know nothing like that. But like, it's okay to go a couple weeks without a cut and stuff like that. You don't have to be on Wall Street every day popping it. That's all American want to do. Pop it, pop it, pop it. 24/7. Stay in the crib. Like me, you know what I'm saying? I got a hat on because I don't have a haircut. And I got cornrows. I got my cornrows in, and I got a hat on for the video. I'm not trying to look cute for the video. I'm not trying to look all perfect. I'm in grind mode. I'm always in grind mode. It's America. You gotta stay in grind mode. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not trying to have a haircut every single day. You don't have to do that every single day. You don't gotta buy an outfit every day. It's okay to look rough. I think that's what a lot of us Americans, and social media is the big reason of that. Like, social media just puts in your head that you gotta, oh, girl, I need this new bust down. I need to go get my hair cut to look good for the shorties, bro. I ain't gonna lie, twin. Especially if you live in a small city too, where a lot of people already know you and they know how I can get. Especially if people already know how I can get, just chill. It's okay to just chill, twin. Just lay back, chill. It's okay to look rough. All right, 5th, distance yourself from lazy people. This is how you gonna save your first 10K. Sometimes, bro, you gotta distance yourself from lazy people, bro. If you got a homeboy or a homegirl, they not what you want. They not trying to save no money. They always out spending money. They habits is bad. All they want to do is go to the club, drink, smoke, party. Cut them off, bro. I ain't gonna lie. They say it get lonely at the top for a reason, and that's a real statement, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. So it's definitely a real statement. It's gonna get lonely, bro. You want to save your first $10,000 gang? You gonna be the loneliest motherfucker in your life. But I ain't gonna lie. When you save the game, it's gonna feel good as hell, bro. Trust me. Like, I had to really, in order for me to save a lot of money, I had to distance myself. Y'all don't see me outside kicking it there like how I used to be at parties and stuff. Y'all don't see that. Sometimes you gotta be alone. You want to save your first 10,000, 20,000 and keep going up, bro. It's gonna get lonely at the top, twin. That person that's always in your ear telling me, come on, girl, let's go get our nails done. Come on, girl, let's go get our hair. Bro, ask them this next time. Hey, show me $1,000. Ask them, show me $1,000. I guarantee you they not gonna have $1,000 to their name. And in this video, I'm just being 100% honest. A lot of people who be out doing the most things don't got $1,000 to their name. Stop letting people tell you, oh, we young and lit. We supposed to be young and lit. Cause the people who saying we young and lit don't got $1,000, near probably even $500 to their name. They out fucking off they 2-week paycheck every day at the club. So cancel them people. Get them out your life right now. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. And my last reason. I'm gonna do a part 2 of this video because y'all gonna need a part 2. My last reason is, bro, take out the base, save the tax. This method right here, this came from me. I want y'all to clip this. This is called the Reese method. This method gotta go viral because this method has saved me. No cap. So what I mean by take out the base, save the tax. So let's say if you're at a 9-to-5 job, right? You get paid every week or you get paid every 2 weeks, right? Whatever. Let's say you get paid every week. I get paid every week. Let's say your check was $764. This is what I want you to do. If you're the type of person, if you're going to take out the money, whatever, do what you got to do, take out the base, which is $700, and the tax is $64 because your check is $764. So this is what you want to do. Take out the $700, leave the $64, and do that every single paycheck. I promise you, you come back a year later, you're gonna have a lot of extra money. This method is gonna be unpatchable. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Think about it. Think about it. You gotta let's say you get a check for $890. Take out $800, throw the 90 to the side, save it. Keep doing it and keep doing it. That 80, that 90, that 60, 50, 40, whatever that's left on the back end, let that pile up. It's 12 months in a year. That's almost like $100 extra a month. You're gonna come back to probably like $1,000, maybe even 15 to 2,000. It all depends. You know what I'm saying? Take out the base, leave the tax. I ain't gonna lie. I put a lot of people onto that method and they came back to me literally like, damn, bro, you was right. I got a couple extra $100 to my name just from doing that, because when a lot of people, what they do is when they get their 9-to-5 check, they take their whole check out and they blow it. They just blow the whole check. No, take out the base and leave what's out on the back end. And if you want to go even more depth into that, set a goal for yourself. Set a goal, like if it's 764 or something, take out 500 and leave 200 in there. If you really want to go in depth, but that's only if you can. That, you know, some people bills they hide and others. So, but I know you don't need that extra $64 that bad. You can leave that there. You can leave that there. You know what I'm saying? Hey, that's it, man. Then otherwise else, I ain't even mentioned this, man. Get y'all boys some ramen noodles and stop eating McDonald's and all that stuff every goddamn day. You ain't that damn hungry. These noodles, they will do the trick. I'm gonna tell you why everybody say eat ramen, because ramen gets you full. It fills your body up. Pasta, eat a lot of pasta. If you're that hungry, eat a lot of pasta, my nigga. That's gonna wrap it up for this video, man. That's how y'all gonna save y'all first 10K, dog. I hope all y'all out there start y'all journey real soon. I want to see everybody eat, man. This is America, y'all. Y'all gotta lock in. We gotta lock in. I still gotta lock in. I'm far. I got a long way to go. You know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe. Y'all, I'm gonna come back to y'all with a part 2, man. Hey.